Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to remove and replace lenses from a pair of Oakley sunglasses. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos including maintenance, DIY, and other random projects. Although the frame is the better of the two, the right lens on the first pair was deeply scratched. The purpose of this DIY project is that between two pairs of sunglasses, one has lenses that are in better condition and the other pair has a frame that is in better condition. This video was recorded and is being shared because although it is a relatively simple procedure, some may be hesitant to perform it due to the high cost of Oakley sunglasses, lenses, and frames. In the second pair, the lenses are scratched lightly but the frame is in worse condition. The hinge is loose on one of the sides, and one of the Oakley logo emblems is missing on the other side. On most eyeglasses, a loose hinge is easily fixed by tightening the fastener with a small size driver. With that in consideration, the fastener on the hinge of the Oakley sunglasses does not appear to have a standard head, such as Torx, Phillips, or flathead. For these Oakley sunglasses, the easiest way to remove the lens was to push from the inside out on the bottom of the lenses. The process of pushing from the inside out on the bottom of the lenses was repeated for the second pair. With soap and water mixed in a shop towel, the channel that holds the lenses was wiped down clean. The soap and water mix on the shop towel was also used to quickly wipe down the lenses. For these pairs of Oakley sunglasses, the installation of the lenses was opposite of the removal. The lenses were installed on the frame with a firm push from the outside in. This push was done with light pressure on the top and bottom of the lenses. To complete the installation, another firm push was made while the lens snapped into the channel. This installation process was repeated for the second pair. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.